Songs of Education 5. The Higher Mathematics. Form 339125, subsection M. Twice 1 is 2, twice 2 is 4, but twice 2 is 96 if you know the way to score. Half of 2 is 1, half of 4 is 2, but half of 4 is 40% if your name is Montague. For everything else is done on a square if done by the best quadratics, and nothing is low in high finance or the higher mathematics. A straight line is straight and a square mile is flat, but you learn in trigonometrics a trick worth 2 of that. 2 straight lines can't enclose a space, but they can enclose a corner to support the chosen race. For you never know what dynamics do with the lower truths of statics, and half of 2 is a touring car in the higher mathematics. There is a place apart, beyond the solar ray, where parallel straight lines can meet in an official way. There is a room that holds the examiner or his clerks, where you can square the circle or the man that gives the marks, where you hide in the cellar and then look down on the poets that live in the attics, for the whole of the house is upside down in the higher mathematics.